This is the practice test for whole numbers, and here we're working on problem number 12. And the problem states that Sarah is planning to fence in her backyard garden. One side of the garden is 34 feet long, another side is 30 feet long, and the third side is 67 feet long. And letter A asks, find the perimeter of Sarah's garden to determine the amount of fencing material needed. And we have three sides of her garden, and so I've drawn the three sides here in this triangle. One side is 34 feet, one side is 30 feet, and the other is 67. And we're asked to find the perimeter. The perimeter is the addition of all the sides, all the lengths of all sides. And so the perimeter is going to be 34 plus the 30 plus 67. And you can see I've done the addition here by hand. And the total perimeter for the fence, which is going to be all the way around the garden, is 131 feet. And then on letter B, I am asked, if the fencing material costs $3 per foot, how much will Sarah's fence cost? And so the cost is going to be the multiplication of the number of feet times the cost per foot. 131 feet, and each foot is $3, so $3 per foot. I multiply 131 times 3, and I get $393 as the total cost of the fencing.